In this video, I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup for free using official and legal methods. If you don't want to pay a full subscription, you can still watch matches using free trial offers from official streaming platforms. First, open your browser and go to the official website of a live TV streaming service like Fox One or other licensed TV providers in your region. Then click on the Sign Up option and create your account using your email. Most of these platforms offer a free trial for new users, usually for a limited time, like 3 to 7 days, depending on availability. After signing up, log into your account and select the Sports or Live TV section. From here, you can stream FIFA World Cup matches in HD during your free trial period without paying anything. Just remember, after the free trial ends, you will need to subscribe if you want to continue watching. This is a completely legal way to watch the World Cup using official platforms and trial offers that are available in your country. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not promote piracy or illegal streaming. All mentioned platforms are official, and availability may vary by region. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.